Welcome friends. Today we are going to study ready-made garment business. So let's start. Clothing business or ready-made garment stores are growing industries in India today. As the industry is witnessing large profit margins, the producers keep offering varieties in their stocks as well. To get the best knowledge first, subscribe Shri Sarth Siddha YouTube channel, like video and share video. Clothing business or ready-made garment stores are growing industries in India today. As the industry is witnessing large profit margins, the producers keep offering varieties in their stocks as well. However, opening a ready-made garment shop or starting up clothing business is no joke. There are many things that one must take into account while starting this business. Is garment business profitable in India? Before you head to start the ready-made garment business in India, you must keep these things in mind. Ready-made clothes are the final goods that producers sell directly to the customers. It is very important to make few choices before starting up the business. Various types of clothing. Decide first what types of clothing they want to sell. There are a lot of varieties available in the market that one can start with. Also, you have to choose whether you will start with kids or adults apparel. It is recommended to start with single collection initially. Most success is in targeted customer. In case of B2C trading or business to customer trading, it is important to sell the customer best beforehand. For women's garment, different types of customers. For men's garment, different, and for kids, it is also be different. Paperwork. Paperwork is important. Any business, especially garments business, need handful of mandatory documents to be issued before starting up the business. All these papers, such as licenses, forms, and others, are needed to be done. Market research. Knowing the market around you is very important in any sort of business. As the fashion and style of ready-made garment keeps changing, it is mandatory to know the market trend and price for the same. Quality check. Product quality graph shows your success quality graph. Finally, the quality of each product you are selling matters the most. It is a competitive market and it takes few seconds to beat or get beaten by others. Hence, maintaining good quality is equally important for this business. Important license for ready-made garment business. To start the ready-made garment business, one needs a trade license first. It is mandatory for any other business as well. Trade licenses can be issued from the local municipality. In case the person who is selling the products wants to sell their goods beyond the city or town but within the state, then also they can apply for the trade license accordingly. Apart from the trade license, GST or goods and service tax registration is mandatory. So, with the help of any local chartered accountant or tax consultant, one can register for GST. If the turnover of your business is more than Rs 20 lakh, then GST will be applicable. However, each company has to register under GST network for business. How to select a place? The location and place is one of the many important things for business. It is the leading determinant to create customer base. Now, depending upon your nature of business, location or place should be decided. Firstly, if the entrepreneur is heading for wholesale business, then it can be started from their home or a place where bulk ordered can be made. On the contrary, if it is B2C business, that is retail store, then it should be in an area where attention of masses can be drawn. Initially, it can be started from home where a moderately spacious from room is available. Also, the room must be somewhere in the outer part of the house so that it can easily be spotted by the targeted customer. To get the best knowledge first, subscribe Shri Sarth Siddha YouTube channel, like video, share video. Marketing plan and marketing area. Marketing area depends on the targeted customer. If the seller is selling women's garment, then the marketing area and strategy should be more advanced and tech friendly, such as social media or digital media. This can be said in case of kids or men's apparel as well. Basically, if the seller is targeting young generation, then marketing must be done through digital platform along with traditional ways, as digital platforms like social media, search engine optimization, AdSense, and so on are growing immensely. It has much more user than conventional newspaper readers and TV watchers. Staff and how to define salary. For ready-made garment business, one needs a few staffs with minimum salary. As you are heading to the ready-made garment shop or business, you don't need a factory shed or a vast area with 100 staffs. Considering yourself, you need a couple of staffs who will help you to stock up the goods you receive and will help you to sell them across the counter. The salary for these people will be between Rs 3000 to 4000 initially. Apart from these tasks, a marketing person will be needed for marketing purposes. You can do it yourself if you are marketing your products on digital platform. For others, especially door-to-door sale, you need a marketing person with monthly salary of Rs 10,000 initially. Business cost and investment. It depends on enormous factors. Ready-made garment shops or selling business does not need much investment. Initially, with Rs 5 lakh of investment, this business can be set up. Now depends on the trendy fashion or quality products. The cost can go upward. It also depends on your location and people's choice. However, for the initial start, Rs 5 lakh will be investment needed for the ready-made garment business. Your profit, selling price margin. The selling price is generally 50 to 60% higher than the warehouse or wholesale price in ready-made garment industry. It solely depends on what products you are selling and whether they are branded or not. Also, the price margin depends on what kind of customers you are targeting at. Generally, selling price margin lies between 30% and 60%. If the garments are branded, then it can be more profitable for the seller as the margin gets little higher than that of non-branded clothes. Final profit of ready-made garment business. As mentioned above, the price margin is 50%. The profit too ranges from 25% to 50% for non-branded and branded clothes. The price includes tax, transportation, and salaries of employees, material, accessories, and other needful things. Be alert, risk and precaution in ready-made garment business. A risk factor is also present here. In India, there are two seasons when new collection can be launched: autumn winter season and spring summer season. Old collection or stocks you are left with can be returned to the company or you can sell them on heavy discount like other branded clothing companies do. This will help you to expand your customer base as well throughout the year. During the season, fresh collections can be sold at moderate price according to the market demand. Hanging high price tags can decrease the number of customers for your business. To get the best knowledge first, subscribe Shri Sarth Siddhi YouTube channel, like video and share video. Thank you very much.